Enjoy the video.
Remember to like and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Guys, this is another slime video, and today this will probably be the last one for the night. But today we're making more slime.
Stuck on the box.
So I do you want to switch bowls, please?
No.
Okay.
I like my bowl.
So I'm gonna be yellow, and I
got
might
some beads stuck to it, so
I might do some glitter.
I'm gonna do clear, green, and then I don't know.
And this time I'm trying not to get Ashlynn to help me, but this is gonna be hard. So let's do the video. Why did it say 54:40?
I don't know.
Who cares? As long as we get the video. Okay, so we're gonna start.
I'm playing with my yellow one I just made.
Yeah, in the last video I made red, she made yellow. Yep.
Yeah, and I made a mess with beads because it's a foam.
And it's in my
Go
slime. I don't
watch
like
it.
This won't come out.
The sound is a. Now it's coming out.
No duh.
Stuff.
This is all the slime. No.
Hold on. Good job. It looks like jam for some reason. It looks like strawberry jam.
She got red. My red slime mixed with my
The
green.
spoon was stuck on it.
No. Who cares? This slime.
I think this is your spoon. Sorry.
What's your spoon?
I don't know. It's covered.
Where's the yellow?
Yellow? I tried to put it over there with you.
Oh. Yeah. So I'm finally mixing the spoon. What's orange or what? Red? I need a spoon, Ashlynn. It's yellow. Oh, look, it's already yellow. Can I use some of that glue?
There's a little bit. I need to use a little bit. Just a tiny bit.
Got the rest.
Yeah. Can't believe you got that. I don't know. I'm gonna experiment. I think that's before. It's gonna make it kind of thick, by the way. Adding this. Oh crap.
Not more of that. So what else do I do? Oh, shaving cream. Wait a minute. Which one do I have to do first? Activate or shaving cream?
Shaving cream.
Oh.
Some lotion. So clear. Seriously? Why did I add a lotion to a clear slime? It's actually really cool doing that. It makes the green lighter and it makes it like a jiggly glossy feeling.
Need more.
We don't have any more glue. We used it all. I'm experimenting with some.
You're making green slime in a green bowl.
Mix.
So what activator do I use?
I used a little bit of borax actually.
It's borax.
And it made it really good.
Just the borax, right? So what do I do?
Wait. So like, hold it up like that. Then. You want me to add it in?
Yeah.
Ooh. I think I'm adding some drips in there. Oh great.
Ooh.
It's still done.
Borax is magical.
It actually makes it way quicker, honestly.
Yes.
That should be ready to start playing with your hands, actually. Because if you wait, it's gonna overactive it a lot more.
Ooh.
Might need to have a little bit more activity there.
Alright. So we went a little off camera and we got big steps with our slimes a little off camera. It's
Yeah,
okay. Because if we did do it on camera, this will, well, for some reason we can do a video over 15 minutes. We're going to try to figure that out so we can. But for right now, we have to stick to a 15-minute limit, so yeah.
And we activated our slimes. We fixed them. Mine is very stringy right now for some reason.
Mine has shaving cream all over it.
I mean, it's full. Have some shaving cream.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We have bad quality camera. We don't have a phone.
Yeah, my phone to film.
That's our secret of filming a phone. At least it isn't a tablet. Like we used to film with.
Oh god, that was really bad quality.
But good thing we delete some of the videos. This won't pause. Here's a fun fact. Lotion fixes it all. That's what Ashlynn said.
Usually it does with slime.
Okay, so here's the special part about my slime. You can add the glitter.
I like my slime. I love my slime. It's really
Maybe why I do this.
You're very confused, aren't you?
How do I add this, Ashlynn?
Yeah, just go like that. That's what I usually do.
I think I found it.
You know what would be really cool if I did?
What?
Adding all of my slimes I made together to make one big slime smoothie. Would that be something
How
bad?
do I do this?
I don't know, honestly. Wait. Is that it?
Yeah,
Try that.
that's what was on.
I think I'm gonna, for some reason, I think I'm gonna mix all my slimes together to make a big slime smoothie. Am I gonna regret this?
Yeah.
I don't know.
So the glitter. So you guys can see. Oh, you can't see. Okay.
I don't know. I feel like I want to, but at the same time I don't.
Oh, I got dirt in there.
I love making slime smoothies, but then afterwards, oh, it's so cool. Try to poke it right where the glitter's at. It feels so good. You gotta get the glitter off of me now.
Alright. Can't let put too much glitter.
I got some glitter in mine.
So, yeah, you just keep on mixing it.
I'll play with this one. Yeah, I shouldn't have left it out. Now it's like overactivated too much.
Make some lotion.
This is Cailin's one. It's really good. It's a little bit wrapped over the tiny bit.
You should go get some bags.
Yeah. The box are in the kitchen.
Look at sparkly. I want more glitter.
I wish I got more glue, honestly.
But your dad wouldn't let us.
Yeah. Thought we had enough already. There's never enough glue.
What is glitter? Here, put that over.
This one's actually really good. What are your grandparents gonna think when we come home with all this slime?
I don't know, they probably won't even care. Just be like, keep away from Henry, don't get stuck in the bags. Look at it, it's so much glitter. I used most of Ashlyn's glitter, she's gonna hate me.
You're using like all of my glitter. It's okay, I'm gonna get some more from the dollar store. The dollar store has like little containers of glitter. For like $1, because it's called the dollar store, so. I don't have any more glitter on me. I don't want to mess up this one. Because it's so nice.
If you don't want to mess up, just don't put it in front of me.
Good idea. Let me go over here.
Yeah,
It's so shiny.
you're shiny.
It kind of, what?
Well,
It kind of looks like it has like a pigment in it, honestly.
guys, I think this is the end of the video.
Yeah.
We had to do a lot of off camera because this took about an hour, this one.
Yeah.
But we have to make it short as 15 minutes. And we made a new intro, so we have to edit that in. And yeah, that takes about 1 minute, so yeah. But we hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Want to say, Ashlynn?
Thanks for watching.
Bye.